On the morning of June 6, 1944, a storm of steel and men descended upon the beaches of Normandy. The Allied forces, a coalition of nations determined to liberate Europe from the Nazi grip, prepared to embark on the largest amphibious operation in history. The air was thick with anticipation as thousands of planes roared overhead, their bellies laden with paratroopers bound for France. On the English coast, hundreds of ships, their decks packed with soldiers, awaited the command to sail towards an uncertain fate. General Dwight D. Eisenhower, Supreme Commander of the Allied Expeditionary Force, penned a poignant letter to the troops. "You are about to embark upon the Great Crusade." His words echoed in the hearts of the men as they steeled themselves for the battle ahead. As the sun rose, the invasion commenced. The first waves of soldiers waded ashore, their faces masks of determination as they met the relentless fire of the German defenses. The beaches, codenamed Omaha, Utah, Gold, Juno, and Sword, became a blood-soaked battleground. The courage and resolve of the Allied soldiers were tested as they fought their way inland, encountering the formidable German fortifications. Yet they pressed on, driven by the knowledge that the fate of the world hung in the balance. In the skies above, Allied air forces engaged in a brutal dogfight with the Luftwaffe, protecting the troops below and disrupting the German reinforcements. The RAF and USAF pilots, aware of the significance of their mission, fought with a ferocity born of the need to protect their comrades on the ground. The D-Day landings were a turning point in World War II, marking the beginning of the end for Nazi Germany. The sacrifice and bravery of the Allied forces that day cannot be overstated. The beaches of Normandy became hallowed ground, a testament to the resilience of mankind in the face of tyranny. As the sun set on June 6, 1944, the Allied forces had established a foothold in France. The battle for Normandy had just begun, but the day of decision had been won. The world, forever changed, would never forget the courage and determination of those who stormed the beaches of Normandy on D-Day.